Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Monday the 18th of June. And today the markets did gap down pretty well, only to find a bottom and begin buying up a little bit more. Over the weekend, the Greek elections happened. Samaras from the Democratic Party was elected, and he has vowed to renegotiate some of the bailout and to keep Greece in the Eurozone. Now on the other hand, Citi and a lot of investors are projecting in the next 12 to 18 months a 50 to 75% chance that Greece will leave the Eurozone. So all that's still, even though they did get the probably the right leader, I think they got the best out of what they had. But even still, they still have a long ways to go. But that's going to lag on the markets for a long time to come. Just to talk about the news, what's going on. Anyway, the markets did gap down pretty well, and then they did buy up throughout the day, and basically chop sideways. Right now, as I record this video, it's 10:52 p.m. and the market is right up here. So that's where we're at right now. Let's talk about what we did on the day. We made one trade, which was successful. The maximum profit potential that we were working in was 7 points or 28 ticks. We actually made 2 points or 8 ticks. Basically we got in the trade. The trade did go in our favor. We took a little profit, and then the trade came back a little bit and it stopped us out on the remainder, and then right here we took a little profit, and then it came back and stopped us out on the remainder position, and then it took off. And sometimes it happens like that, and that's what happened. So anyway, we ended the day with 2 points, which is not too bad. You're looking at $100 for 2.5 hours. Not a horrible day. Anyway, with that, I'd like to encourage everyone to stop by and check out our website, www.businesswithtrading.com. Every day we do focus on the ES market. It's my favorite market. That's why I put the emphasis on that one. It's definitely a challenging market. It's not a market that, and most markets, you're not going to be able to come in and every trade is going to be successful. That's an impossible goal. But you come in, you're going to get challenged a little bit, but at the end of the week, the month, that's when you want to be successful. And the ES is that vehicle. It definitely has the volatility. It definitely gives us the moves that we want. We get in a trade, we know the market's going to move. You see the market moved up, moved down, moved up, moved down, up, down, up, down. So we got a lot of good movement on the day. So that's definitely what you want out of the market, and that's one thing good about the ES. Also, it's very, very liquid. Certain markets are more illiquid. The ES is the most liquid US market. It is, which definitely makes it a good trading vehicle. Anyway, I'm getting a little sidetracked here, but I encourage everyone to check out our website. Have a contact form in the upper right hand side. I have a newsletter. It's a 7-day e-course trading plan you can sign up for, and also every night I send recap videos like the one you're watching right now. Also, if you have any questions, definitely email me. If you're part of the newsletter, just reply to any of the emails you get. It'll send it directly to me. So I definitely do encourage any feedback, suggestions, or questions that you might have. There's absolutely no such thing as a dumb question. There's only the question that hasn't been asked. If you don't know the answer, ask the question. I was once a new trader once, and looking back, I really didn't know anything. I knew a little bit, and I had to learn. I had to educate myself. I didn't have anyone I could ask questions to, and a lot of the people that I met were other struggling traders. So I didn't know anyone who was successful at trading. I knew some people who were successful at long-term fundamental investing. But I wanted to learn how to short-term trade, so that I didn't have access to. So it's definitely quite a journey. So I can understand any reservations about asking a question, because you don't want to sound stupid. But there's no such thing as a stupid question. There never has been, there never will be. There are only people that they say they're stupid questions because they want to make themselves feel smarter. That's not what I do. That's never what I've been about. I don't know everything in the world, and I'm not going to claim to. If you ask me a question, I don't know the answer, I'm going to let you know I don't know the answer. Some people ask me about certain indicators that I don't use, and I know a little bit about a little bit of different indicators because I know enough to pass to be a market technician. I know that. So I know a little bit, but I don't know like everything about certain things, certain indicators, because I don't use a lot of indicators. But anyway, I don't want to get off on too much of a tangent. I don't want to record a 20-minute long video or anything like that. So let's go ahead and check out the news for tomorrow. Okay, and tomorrow, we're looking at 8:30 in the morning. News begins with building permits. We're looking for 0.73 million. Prior reading is 0.72. Housing starts, looking for 0.72 million. Prior was the same. We have G20 meetings all day tomorrow. We had them all day today. It's going to get interesting. And that's basically it. Look for some news probably out of the G20. And then, housing at 8:30 in the morning. It's going to be big. With that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Appreciate that in a big way. Everyone have a great night. I'll see you in the morning. Thanks.